red.
B is for ball, rolling down the hill.
C is for cat, purring on the mat.
D is for dog, wagging with a grin.
E is for elephant with big ears that fly. F is for fish, swimming by the sea. G is for garden where green beans grow.
H is for helicopter, hovering high.
I is for ice cream, drippy and sweet.
J is for jungle, full of jumps and jive.
K is for kite, painting lines in the sky. L is for lion, brave and loud.
M is for mango, golden and young. N is for nest, cozy with eggs.
O is for octopus, waving 8 hellos. P is for pizza, pepperoni on top. Q is for queen, with a quirky crown.
R is for rocket, roaring to the moon.
S is for sun, smiling bright and warm.
T is for train, choo-choo down the track.
U is for umbrella, dancing in the rain.
V is for violin, singing soft and sweet.
B is for whale, splashing big and blue.
Baloo.
X is for xylophone, play along.
Y is for yo-yo, spinning up and down.
Z is for zebra, zooming with a zing.